Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. My name is Gary.
And I'm Steve, and today we are going to talk about Internet Explorer 9. It's really exciting. Right now it is still in beta, but there's a lot of new features and there's a lot of new stuff to talk about.
Right, yeah, and if you haven't seen it yet, we're going to go through a little bit and show you, just generally what it looks like and how it works. But also, we wanted to talk to you a few things about security with Internet Explorer 9, and actually one new feature that will help you out with security if it's something you feel like doing.
Right, so we're going to go ahead and turn to the computer. We'll take a look at some of this stuff, kind of familiarize you with Internet Explorer 9, show you a couple quick security tips, and let's take a look.
Okay, so let's take a look here. This is Internet Explorer 9 beta that I have here on the screen. As you can see, it looks quite a bit different than the previous versions of Internet Explorer. They've really simplified things and just limited exactly what's on the page. Up here up top you have two tabs. You can have multiple tabs, and then you have one address box, which if you think about it kind of brings you back to the day when you used to only have one address box. The only difference here now is that this is an integrated box, and it's actually part of the tip today. So what I want to show you is if I go into this box and I type in something that's not an address, so let's just type in worldstart and hit enter. Sorry. It automatically wants to autofill. Let's go search for worldstart. It's going to bring up Google results for worldstart. Now that's a great feature, but if you're concerned about security, that can be a problem. Let me show you why. Let's go back to this and type in worldstart one more time, or just begin to type it. You'll start to see here on these boxes that there's the results. Here's my worldstart Google search. Here's my worldstart history. Here's worldstart in my favorites. Now, if you don't want people seeing your search results, then this is bad. You can see all this here. Obviously, you can go and just click on the X here to delete one of them. But if you wanted to do more than that, let's say you don't want to have the search here, so you don't want to have the option of it storing your search results, we're going to change a few things in Internet Explorer settings here to first clear them when you stop using the browser, and then secondly, not offer the option at all. So the first thing we want to do on this is click on the little gear here in the corner, and we're going to go to Internet Options. Right here under the General tab in Internet Options, you'll see this here for Delete Browsing History on Exit. If you check that and hit Apply, automatically when you close the browser, when you close Internet Explorer 9, it's going to delete all the history, so none of that stuff will show up. Now let's say you don't want any of this search to show up at all. What we'll want to do is go back to the little gear here for the settings and choose Manage Add-ons. From add-ons, we're going to go to Search Providers, and you can see here where it says Search in the address bar. All you have to do is uncheck that. And now you'll see that if I go here and type in worldstart and don't type in .com at the end and hit enter, it's not going to search. As a matter of fact, it's not really going to do anything. It's just going to stop, and it's going to say it can't display the page. If you want to get to search, you'd have to go to google.com, and then you can do your search. Now, of course, if you want to turn that back on, that's no big deal. Let's go back here to Manage Add-ons, back to Search Providers, and turn it back on. That's about all there is to it.
There you go, already some tips for Internet Explorer 9. Keep one thing in mind, Internet Explorer 9 is a beta. That means that it is not quite a final release. There might be some bugs, it might act a little funny. So if you do decide to download it, make sure that you keep that in mind, that it's not finished software yet. It should be released pretty soon, but as of this moment, we don't know exactly when.
Right, and if you are interested in trying out IE9 beta, it's simple enough to find. You can do a Google search or a Bing search. Just type in IE9 beta. It'll be the first thing that comes up, and you can install it and try it out. If it doesn't work out well, Microsoft will let you uninstall it and go back to IE8. Or, as we preferred, you can just use Firefox. But either way, thanks for stopping by today. Thanks for checking out our video. If you have any questions for us, go to worldstart.com/ask and ask away. We'll be happy to answer your questions. If you're not a member of our newsletter, right on worldstart.com, you can sign up there and get our newsletter every day, which has these great tips and many others.
Thanks for watching.